Yo, kita mutaku power boda tu, welcome back to the channel. Okay, first of all, sorry munta, who played the lao, yeah, upload korpa kine, who kam aaj nahi taka lava, okay? On I sound consistency dotto no kide, I've left all the baggage behind, kide kurunga lag bote kele anta maso free ha, okay? So eyes na काल आमासो यूट्यूबर ब्राउज करता नो आणि एकलो बोलगो हा EHR I don't know if that is his real name or not or EHR music on ha and there's a song called slow which I wanted to share with everybody and I'm not reviewing I'm based off react करता okay so we'll see you after the intro thank you
I worked every time, but still you on my mind. You're mine, you're mine.
अरे बाबा एले मरे पुत्तू thank you for coming back तुम्ही जोडी तो सबस्क्राइब करून नाजाल्यार सबस्क्राइब करात व्हिडिओ बरो लागता जाल्यार लाईक करात शेअर करात कमेंट करात बरो लागोना थम्स डाउन दियात I don't care okay as long as you're engaging I'm happy okay so let's just dive into this see the EHR राव रे Konkani rap song slow EHR okay he has 160 views he has 10 May 27th upload केला बाबा EHR music EHR बाबा तुझे आखे नाव कितें आहा पळय मातशें म्हाजे कॉमेंटान घाला सेक्शनान 303 subscribers very underrated he's got only likes even I'm going to go and like from Goencho Hanv and I'm going to like korpacha na puro okay from EZD in the house I've liked and all because I heard the song yesterday so what do we do now is we start playing this world screen on galta and you ready let's play slow the hook is nice and catchy
slow change आता कोण नका लायफान हॅपी आसा सगळ्या फेक लोकां हांवेन पयस केला आता लायफान कसो हांव चिल करता हांव स्लो चेंज जाता आता कोण नका लायफान हॅपी आसा सगळ्या फेक लोकां हांवेन पयस केला आता लायफान कसो हांव चिल करता सगळीं म्हणटाली तूं कितें करचो ना तूं लायफान दर्शनला तू फुडें सरचो ना कशें म्हणून सांगू तुमकां लायफ म्हाजी चिल चल्ला कोणूच नाका म्हाका लायफ म्हाजी हॅपी चल्ला स्लो चेंज जाता आतां कोण नाका लायफान हॅपी आसा सगळ्या फेक लोकांक हांवेन पयस केला आतां लायफान कसो हांव चिल करता
This guy is talking some major sense, you know, because everybody goes through something in their life. When maybe you're an artist, people do not believe in you. तुका trust करना, तुझे believe आसोना कि वो कितें करता म्हणून, okay? आनी कुछ काम करात रे, आनी कितें करात. Everybody, as I would say, everybody is born to do something unique in life, okay? तितल्या तुका जोड, सगळे unique. आनी वो भुरगो like, how old will this guy be? He looks very young and he's talking sense. That is what rapping is all about. Konkani rap, Zindabad. Okay, let's go again.
Slow, change जाता आता कोण नका लायफान हॅपी आसा सगळ्या फेक लोकांक हांवेन पयस केला आता लायफान कसो हांव चिल करता
The videography, the scenery is absolutely brilliant, man.
Slow, fix जाता slow, वयस वयता slow, cheat करता slow, change जाता
राव रे. तू slow cheat किती करता? What was that line about it? What was that line about? Slow cheat करता? कोणाक cheat करता? Comment section वर बोला कोणाक cheat करता हो? या कितें cheat करून कोणाक cheat करूंक सोदताय बाबा? cheat करपाचें ना रे. Anyway, it's your song. Sorry.
जाता आता कोण नका लायफान हॅपी आसा सगळ्या फेक लोकांक हांवेन लायफान कसं हांव चिल करता स्लो स्लो पैसे येता लायफ आतां सेट जाता कोण नाका म्हाका लायफान आतां हांव हॅपी आसा
Tell them boy, tell them, tell
सगळीं
them.
जाणां जाली पयस जेन्ना गरज आसली म्हाका आतां सगळीं दिसपाक लागला जेन्ना पयशे येवपाक लागला स्लो स्लो चेंज जाता आतां सगळीं फेक जाता म्हाका आतां कोण नाका हांव हॅपी आसा आतां
Nice, nice, nice. Slow change that. This guy, oh my god, amazing. I was not expecting something like that. But when you listen to the song, and to Katar, I got the Rapan, I got the. I mean, he's talking some major sense. Pun, repetitive. I mean, I would think. He could have spoken about a lot of things that happened throughout, but I'm not taking anything away from him. I mean, I love to hear the song, and the song is going on my playlist. I do not know whether let me go check here. So one thing that I forgot to do is like. I don't know whether I can share it from here, but I'll share it from my phone, and I'll write a comment from me. Amazing. Keep. What's happening to my keyboard? Keep writing. Don't stop. Damn it, I hate typing on the keyboard. I mean, on the PC keyboard. Don't stop. Uzo. Comment. So, this is how you show support. This is from the other channel, EZD in the house. And this is from Goencho. This is how you show support, guys. We are a new breed of musicians or lyricists or poets, you can say. Okay. आणि मातशें आय थिंक आमकां सगळ्यांकूच आमी सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट करूंक जाय असल्या आर्टिस्टांक बिकॉज आय एम शुअर you know to create music, to write, then the videography takes money, right? And itle poishe I don't think so astele konashi unless and until you get sponsors, right? I know because I'm facing the same thing. So I would request you, please go subscribe to his channel, go and subscribe kar lage na. Well, I've subscribed to my other thing. Okay, come here and see, subscribe all. I want to hear more of this guy. This guy is going to be on my watch list. Okay, Baba. Okay, so please go and check out his channel, subscribe, like, comment, show some support. Okay, until the next time, Goencho, I love you guys. Bye. That can born.